Okay? And what this did to create English women's studies department, absolutely out of the air, just snap your fingers and create women's studies. The English department had taken a century to develop. Okay, it was a huge argument. Okay, within it, right? And all of a sudden to create a department with a politicized agenda from the start. Okay, by people without any training, whatever in that field. Okay, what should be the parameters of the field? What should be the requirements of that field? How about biology? Okay, if you're going to be discussing gender, that should have been a #1 requirement. Okay, as part of any women's studies department or program. Yes. But no. Okay, it was all hands off. It was just the administrators wanted to solve a public relations problem. Okay, they had a situation with very few women faculty nationwide at a time when the women's movement had just started up. The spotlight of attention was on them. They needed women faculty fast. They needed the women's subject on the agenda fast, right? So they just like, poof, let there be women's studies, okay? And now we'll just hire some women, usually from English departments, you know, here and there, and we'll just throw them together. You invent it. You say what it is. So that's why women's studies got frozen at a certain point of ideology, okay, of the early 1970s. I was already in revolt from it, okay? I was a precursor in terms of my endorsement of feminism before even now was created, right? But I couldn't even have a conversation with any of these women. They were hysterical about the subject of biology. They knew nothing about hormones, okay? I mean, I probably got in fistfights over this. People were so convinced that biology had nothing whatever to do with gender difference.